Genghis, come on. Oh, what's up, boys and girls, ladies and gents? It's your boy, the Iron King here, Hot Feast Kindles, and I'm here with the Luqman Caninis. This is Genghis. Come on, talk to him, buddy. We're gonna do the show together. He's part human. Genghis. What's up, Genghis? It's a big boy. It's a big. Don't get him. Stop. Anywho. And is the camera focusing correctly? It's your boy, the Iron King here, man. Come on, Sahara. The Caninis are wild, baby. They're wild. Full game, intelligent, ready to work. I could sick them on the camera, kid, if I wanted to, but I'm not. I love babies. Love each other. Love other dogs. Oh, shit. He's heavy as fuck. I gotta get away. Damn. Stop. Shit. You gotta be 100 pounds already. What's up? Calm down, boy. That kind of threw me off guard. I was just about to say I'm gonna get him weighed. Motherfucker weigh about more. How much you weigh?
95.
Damn. Feel about as much as you. That's interesting. We definitely gonna have to get them weighed this week. Well, they're gonna get weighed this week. They were born December 22nd. Whatever, 23rd, 22nd. Just make sure I'm filming. Make sure you got me in the, because you look like you filming down. Anywho, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. They're 7 months old. It's not August 23rd yet. They're 7 months old.
It's August 2nd.
Right, so you say they're born on the 22nd, 23rd? You know, you need to get to the 23rd for them to be 8 months, okay? Got that? All right. School is sometimes, you don't want to miss school. Well, let's get a look at these Caninis. Come on. Hot out here. It's like 100 degrees out here. This is Houston. Sahara. It's got a little cherry eye right here. So, it's interesting. One of the other pups got cherry eye, which I'm going to have to watch out for in breeding. I'm going to have to make sure I like the looseness. And I'm going to have to try to tighten up the eye a little bit. So, what the vet told me, wait a little while longer, see if the other side pops out. It doesn't look like it is. So I'm going to probably take her next week, get that stitched up. She'll be good to go. But I'm going to let you get a hold of it. Genghis, good boy. Con, sit. Back. It's hot. Sahara. Fuck. I have to beat his ass. Knocking off my turban, man. What's wrong with you, boy? You're too excited. He's too happy to be on TV. Sahara, bring that to me. They're crazy. They've been out here for about 40 minutes already, so they're a little hot. But I'm gonna get them amped up. Stay there. Oh yeah. Woo! Come on, Sarah. Oh, that's me. There it is. Pull. Good girl. Pull. Good girl. Crazy. This is Con. Sit. Good girls in here. Sheesh. They're alone here, they're the two. Sahara, let me get Genghis. Genghis, come here. So this is the tall. He's keeping. Don't get him. They keep going in this cooling shit I got, which I need to probably do. Come here, boy. Come here. Get low so you can see him. You can see. Oh, he's a big boy. Nice and tall. Nice chest. Nice underbite. Yeah. I thought thought I was gonna maybe not like how he came out, but he came out perfect. Getting more of the face I want. Growing into his head. Got the big chest. Big feet. Oh, he scratched his toe. He did something with his nail. I didn't even notice that you scratched your own damn nail off. It's crazy. Come here. Sahara, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Now, Genghis, go. Get out. Go. 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 They play so damn rough. Sahara. The chest on her. Look at the chest on her. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Can you see what I'm working with? Beautiful. Underbite. Ears came out nice. Big, nice meaty head. Stand up. Get up. Nice rear end. Get out of here. Go. What? Where's Khan at? Khan, come here. Khan. He don't want to fuck with none of this here. Come here, boy. Come here, Khan. Genghis. Khan's a little thicker, so he gets to him. And remember, they got black fur too. Come here, come here. Come here, Khan. Oh, watch out, Genghis. Genghis, get out. This is thick. Come here, boy. Sit. Get a good view of him. Yeah, buddy. What you got to say? Good boy. He doesn't have the underbite that I really am looking for. It got a little one. But it's turning out good. Nice and thick. We'll see. We'll definitely see. We'll definitely see. Alright guys, those are Luqman Canini. I'm going to give you that. That's a little update for Luqman Canini. 7 months old. We got another amazing breeding about to happen. Which is going to be... If you don't know what the breed is, go to the website. It's all right there, man. It's all right there. From A to Z. Alright? I'm going to do you a little rundown. 50% Classic Johnson. The old school. Okay? They got 20% Doggy Bordeaux. They got 10% Neo. 10% Warble. 5% Razors. I'm not going to say what type of pit bull. Old school pit bull. Maybe a little less, maybe a little more. How I did it is patented to me. Comes straight out of the Mongol blood. All the way through Sasha's brother, which is Zeus. Now we're going to breed Sasha to make some more F1s, which are the Puma, the Onyxes. Well, I'm not even going to get into that. Their mother and father is Puma. No, their mother is Onyx from my particular Mongol line. Alright? I'm actually going to do it again. This time, I'm going to do it in reverse. Well, not reverse, just the opposite. I'm going to breed a Canini. Instead of breeding the Bulldog into the Canini. It's getting too hot for him. But anywho. What you want to say something, Sahara? Anywho, what was I talking about? I put a Johnson into the Mongol line, which made these. Now I'm going to put the Mongol line into a Johnson. We're going to have Snuffles. And we're going to have Chaos. And we're going to smack them together, baby. And we're going to make a whole new set of Caninis to breed to these Caninis. Okay? Then we got Puma. And a secret Bulldog. I'm not sure which one I'm going to put in there. But I'm going to do this. I got a surprise for y'all coming. It's going to bring some colors to the thing. So we got some things going. Okay? And we're about to make another Mongol line in reverse again. You got Mountain. And you got Sasha. Before it was Heaven and Zeus. You don't got to move the camera. I should be right in here. Okay? And that's how we do things, man. You want to have the same on the top and the same on the bottom. When you hit them together, they make the purebreds. You feel me? All F1s. All first generation Caninis. I'm going to have about 50 first generation Caninis. Not in this yard. And the one that I'm getting built, the farm, it's going to be the Canini farm, okay? And when that's done, when they're all 2, we're going to breed them together and have generation 2 purebred Canini to Canini. And at that time, the waiting list is going to be crazy because right now, the waiting list is nuts. I can't keep a Canini. I need to keep them for myself. Everybody want to buy them. They want to pay $5,000 for them and stuff. Good gracious. They're worth it. They're worth it. They work. They're intelligent. They're smart. They can do anything. It's 100 fucking degrees out here. They've been running around for 30, 40 minutes straight. Of course they're hot. I'm training them to be able to handle the heat. So, all-purpose breeds, man. And listen here. This month, we're starting some of the bite work. Genghis, come on over here and end this with me. Genghis, get over here, man. Come on. You don't want to host the show no more, man? Genghis, come here. Come here, boy. Get up here. Get up here. Let's end the show. Let's end it. Let's end it. Give me a second. We're going to end it. We're going to end it so hot. This is the Iron King signing out. The Canini Hot Feast Kennels. They're beautiful. We go, man. Let's get in this air piece of this, man. Where my dogs at? Feast kennels, baby, you understand me? One of a kind dogs, you understand me? Only place you gonna find these dogs, you understand me? Yeah.